What's up YouTube? It's Adam Della here with another video for Truphae. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Penthusiast level of the Inkredible Box. At either $75 or $80 a month, you get either 5 ink samples or 1 full bottle of premium ink based on which level you get. And it comes with $100 of merchandise and 7% off store-wide with a few exceptions. Brands featured include Conklin, Monteverde, Bennu, LAMY, Aurora, Diplomat, and many more. You can ask for what type of products you'd enjoy, such as fountain pens, inks, notebooks, or pen cases. And you can also tell us what you don't like, such as certain brands or colors. So without further ado, let's take a look at what you could expect to see in your Penthusiast level Inkredible box. Here we have the slightly larger Inkredible box. For comparison, here's the Inkredible Inkmeister versus the Penthusiast and Collector box. Why don't we take a look inside? So, we have a notebook, Private Reserve Sherwood Green, and a Conklin pen. I love Conklin. Let's dive right into this. First up, the notebook. So we have some ink from Private Reserve, Sherwood Green, love a good green. I'm really excited about this pen. It's the Conklin Shamrock. It's a limited run of Truphae exclusive fountain pens in this beautiful shamrock green with these nice colors in it. As I turn it, you can see some really vibrant greens in there and some dark hues with those nice accent lines. There's only 300 of these, so I am glad to be getting mine in the Inkredible box. So, without further ado, let's take a write with our new pen. That was the Penthusiast level Inkredible box. Again, that is $75 to $80 a month, depending on if you want ink samples or a full bottle of ink. You can get it at the Truphae website. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. And as always, a penman salute to you.